Calendars are used to define the days and hours in which work will take place during project execution. If you have imported a project schedule from another scheduling tool, such as Microsoft Project, all calendars are included with the import. To define a project or task calendar in RiskyProject, left-click on the Change Working Time button on the Schedule toolbar. You can define working and non-working times as specified dates or weekdays. You can define multiple calendars with different sets of non-working days. To assign a calendar to your project, left-click on Project Settings on the Schedule toolbar and select Calendar from the drop-down list. To assign a calendar to a specific task, double-click on the task ID. In the Task Information dialog, left-click on the Advanced tab and select Calendar. If a task has resources attached to it, the resource calendar should be used. To assign a calendar to a specific resource, double-click on the Resource ID. The Resource Information dialog will appear on screen. You can define a calendar using the General tab. RiskyProject allows you to define weather calendars. Go to the Change Working Time dialog and left-click on This is a weather calendar. Next, left-click on Settings. When the dialog appears, enter low, base, and high estimates, as well as how many non-working days you will have per monthly period. The probabilistic calendar allows you to define the probability that a specified project calendar will be used. This is defined in Project Settings on the Schedule toolbar.